The Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, a very nice product I unboxed a few days ago on my channel and also compared with the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, and you can watch this video here, but today I'm gonna show you something that is really cool. Yesterday I took the Buds 3 Pro running and I was trying to test the controls and also the fit. I noticed that while running it's not so easy and not so nice to adjust the volumes with the pinch gesture. But then also, thanks to you guys, I found out there is an option to activate voice control. And usually it invokes saying, hey Bixby. No, this here is way better. So let me show you. What I'm gonna do right now, guys, I'm gonna take the buds and put them in my ears, right? And I'm gonna show you the setting. I'm gonna test it with you to just see if this voice control works, because this is indeed a game changer. If you are somebody involved with sports or occasional jogging whatsoever, this might work better for you. But also, if you're just walking outside, it's just so easy to just say, yeah, volume up and volume down, or play the next song. Of course, if you don't care that people will hear you. So let me show you. I have connected the buds right now. I need to enter down below. There is something called the earbud settings. Here, the first menu, guys, is voice control. You have this standard thing, which is the Bixby voice wake up, and you can use Bixby to be your assistant. I don't really care right now to use Bixby, but what I do care is the voice commands, because apparently you can use English, and that's probably Korean, and the predefined commands allow you to control the music player, also the volume, which is very, very important, and also the phone. So let's see. We have the option to play the music, to stop the music, next song, previous songs, and also volume up, volume down, and also answer call and reject call. This here is Spotify on my phone. And what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna say play music. Yep, and as you can see, the music starts playing. So now I'm gonna try stop music. All right, this works. Now I'm gonna say next song. Yeah, next song works. Play music. Works like a charm. Now, very important, guys, the standard control of the volume invokes to use this area here. Initially, I thought that you need to use your two fingers, but no. As one of you told me, thank you so much, by the way, you can only use one finger, right? And I discovered that it's better to do it with the thumbs, to just do like this, right? I can use this slight gesture on the stand to control the volume, but imagine walking or running, it's not so comfortable. So what I'm gonna try right now is volume up, volume up, volume down, volume down, next song, next song, volume up, volume up, volume up, volume down, stop music. This really works like a charm, guys. So if you have the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, go and test it. It's available inside the settings and the wearable application. There is also something that I wanted to address. Apparently there is a controversy around removing the tips. Some of you asked me to remove the tips, and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna try to do this, but first I had to just see how it's done. Samsung recommends a specific way for you doing this. You can see this here. I'm displaying it on the screen. But I've read that some of the units that have been shipped have a problem with the tips. So when you have like larger nails, and typically when you're removing them, they can somehow get damaged. So apparently they're waiting to ship some new units, something like this. So if you bought the Buds 3 Pro like me, don't try to play with it until they're absolutely sure that you can and you want to remove the tips. And even if you want to do so, use the recommended instructions. But what is important is that the voice commands do work. I really like them, and this is something that I'm going to use on a daily basis. I'm not going to use this gesture. Apparently it's a nice thing to have, that maybe when I'm lying in the bed, but when I'm active outside, running or just even walking, I don't see myself doing this. Because again, remember, like volume down is okay, but the moment you go up, there is the risk for you to push out the buds. The buds can fall on the ground, and you don't want this to happen to your buds. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, here, stay over, and bye.